job's a 34-storey commercial tower. It's got a contract value of around $280 million. When North Australian Contracting approached us about using the USG Boral 13mm sheetrock product, we were more than happy to listen to the benefits that it could have on the project for us.
Our contract is a design and construct on this project, so when we were awarded it, we looked at how we could deliver over and above the specifications. A huge benefit is that sheetrock is about 15% lighter than standard USG Boral plasterboard. 15% lighter doesn't sound much, but when you're working overhead like we are on this project, it makes a big difference.
The reduced weight assists us to deliver the product to the various locations on site and also to install in its final location.
The deliveries of sheetrock from USG Boral are tightly scheduled because we have to book crane time to lift the packs up to the Preston loading bays. Then our guys unload the packs and distribute them around the floor to where the board will be installed.
With safety being one of Grocon's core values, the health and safety benefits of using USG Boral sheetrock was a major consideration. Due to its reduced weight, it's easier for plasterers to install, especially when they're installing overhead, and less likely they'll experience injuries.
Another benefit of sheetrock is it is easy to score and snap. It's much cleaner with less dust and easier to clean up after cutting.
The job is going for a 6-star Green Star rating, so any environmental benefit that we can get is obviously a benefit to the overall project.
USG Boral have been great to deal with on this project. They've been reliable and responsive, which has helped us fulfil our obligations on site.
We engineer materials to make you faster, stronger and more productive. USG Boral, innovation inspired by you.